Hi everyone! Today I will present you with an extremely elastic knitting pattern with lots of volume and a simple texture. It is knitted based on elastic knitting, 2x1. The pattern consists of 3 loops and only 2 rows. To start, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 3, plus 1 for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 1. Pull up a long loop from back to front between the second and third loops, and purl 2. Again, knit 1. Pull up a long loop from back to front between the second and third loops, and purl 2. Keep knitting after this scheme until the end of the row. The second row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, purl 1, knit 1, and knit 2 together through the front. Again, purl 1, knit 1, and knit 2 together through the front. Keep knitting after this scheme until the end of the row. I have presented you with an elastic knit with a beautiful texture and good relief, suitable for any yarn and any season. I highly recommend it. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click the icon of my shop, Knit Not Space, or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this. I will be glad to see you soon.